Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on May 16, 1929. First Academy Awards ceremony held. On May 16, 1929, the first ever Academy Awards ceremony took place in Hollywood, California. It was held at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel and lasted only 15 minutes. The event had just 270 guests and tickets cost $5. Only 12 categories were awarded, compared to the many more today. The silent film wings won Best Picture. This small beginning eventually became the world-famous Oscars we know today. 1960. First laser is successfully operated. On May 16, 1960, Theodore Maiman operated the first working laser at Hughes Research Laboratories in California. The laser used a synthetic ruby to create a red light beam. This invention opened the door to many new technologies. Today, lasers are used in everything from surgeries and DVDs to space research. It was a big moment in science and technology history. Maiman's invention changed the modern world. 1920. Joan of Arc is canonized as a saint. Joan of Arc, the French heroine who led her country in the 100 Years' War, was officially declared a saint on May 16, 1920. The Roman Catholic Church held the canonization in Rome. Joan was only 19 when she was executed in 1431 for heresy. Centuries later, she was recognized for her bravery and deep faith. Her sainthood honored her lasting impact on French history. Today, she's a national symbol of courage. 1975. Junko Tabei becomes first woman to summit Everest. Japanese mountaineer Junko Tabei made history on May 16, 1975, by becoming the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Despite being buried in an avalanche during the climb, she pushed forward with incredible strength. Her achievement inspired women around the world to chase their dreams. Tabei later climbed the highest peaks on all 7 continents. She broke barriers in a male-dominated sport. 1986. Top Gun premieres in theaters. On May 16, 1986, the action movie Top Gun was released in U.S. theaters. Starring Tom Cruise as a daring fighter pilot, the film became a massive hit. It featured thrilling air combat scenes and a popular soundtrack. The movie turned Cruise into a superstar and made military aviation look exciting to many. Top Gun became a cultural icon and was later followed by a successful sequel. It's still loved by fans today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.